Ever wished your Squarespace website could truly come alive with captivating moving photos? Today, we're unlocking that secret. Let's dive into creating dynamic photo experiences on your Squarespace site, starting with the image block. First, select the image block where you want to add movement. Click Edit to access its settings. Within the settings, navigate to the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. Look for an option related to animation or effects. Squarespace offers a selection of subtle yet impactful ways to animate your images. Choose an animation that suits your content for a gentle introduction. Fade in is a great starting point. You'll see a preview of how it will look. Or for a more dramatic effect, try pan. This creates a subtle shift, giving your image a sense of depth as it loads. You can often fine-tune the speed or intensity of these animations to get the perfect feel. Once you've chosen your animation, hit save, and then done. Instantly, your image gains that extra bit of visual polish. Beyond individual image blocks, consider using animated backgrounds. Many sections in Squarespace allow for background videos. Simply enable the background video option within a section's settings and upload a short, attention-grabbing video clip. Ensure it's optimized for web to maintain fast loading times. See the difference? These moving elements draw the eye and create a more memorable and professional online presence. Experiment with these techniques to transform your Squarespace site from static to stunning. Happy designing!